Hey guys, welcome again, welcome again. How you guys doing? Elon Musk shit posting again. What are we seeing today? Another day, another tweet. So Elon Musk has tweeted again, Bitcoin with a broken heart here. Another meme. I mean, he's just having fun with himself and his tweet, right? And what's the problem here, guys? Is Elon Musk dumping? Guys, I don't think so. But whether or not Elon Musk is dumping, what matters here is that a group of people, somebody somewhere, a bunch of whales are waiting. People who have large Bitcoin holdings are waiting for Elon Musk to tweet so they can dump on the market. Right? This is what I see that's going on here. I mean, people just want to sell off and they're using Elon Musk's tweet as an excuse to sell. I mean, people are the ones reacting to what Elon Musk is tweeting. It's not Elon Musk dumping the entire market. Now, let's look at Bitcoin chart and see where we are at the chart. So looking at this macro view here, okay, this is a daily candle. We still have this huge head and shoulder formation just in case we are getting into a bear market. We still have a very huge head and shoulder formation right here that could lead us all the way down to 2019k Bitcoin. But right here, we assume that we are not done with this bull run. If for any reason we are not done with this bull run, that would be really nice, okay? Because we've not really done as much as we think, as much as we expect this market to go. There's so much money to be made, but of course we trade exactly what we see, and we don't trade based on hopium or based on expectations but reality on the chart. So right here we saw this recovery, we saw the higher low formations on the daily candle after the last huge dump right here, and yesterday we managed to cross above this pennants, the upper trend line right here. We managed to break up over the green candle. But one thing you should pay attention to that we were just at a 20 EMA. Okay, the 20 EMA on daily. So it's more like Elon Musk looked for a perfect place to short the market, guys. He looked for a perfect place to tweet. So whether he was dumping or not, I don't know. But guys, this was a very good candle to short the market. We really didn't expect the market to keep going. So let me just zoom in a little more. We really didn't expect the market to keep going up, straight up there. But of course, guys, what we have to understand is that we are yet to cross this blue line here, the 200 EMA on daily candle. We need to flip it. That's well above 42k. We need to flip above 42k and sit on it, act on it as support. The 200 EMA has to act as support if we are supposed to continue this bull run, guys. But right here, we fell right here when Elon Musk tweeted, and we fell right back into the pennant. But good thing, guys, you could see the bounce, the quick bounce right off the bottom of this pennant here. We bounce right off here quickly. The reaction is quick, and we are likely climbing back above the pennant right here, guys. What I expected to see was something like this. I wanted to see the market fall this weekend. Of course, it's a weekend, so we have an excuse. The market, Bitcoin has an excuse to dump on weekends every time. But I expected to see the price fall to this place, guys, just maybe around 37.7 or 37.6 or so. So let's use the bottom of this trend line here to form a new support. That would have been much better, but we broke it and went into the pennant, which is not so good, but fine, still fair and good. We are bouncing right back off it. What we don't want to see this weekend is Bitcoin closing below this pennant, guys. We don't want to see it closing below here. You don't want to see it closing below 35.3 or thereabout. You don't want to see it closing below this formation here. You don't want to see it breaking down. This could definitely lead us back to the 30k or 32k region again, maybe somewhere here or somewhere back to the bottom of this. You have to understand, guys, that we are still in a big fat juicy range. Okay, guys, this is where we are. If you look at this rectangle here, there is a huge range here. If you look back to the chart, there's a huge range here. So there's still a possibility that we can go as high as 42k and dump back to the 30s. Guys, it is not impossible. You just need to understand that this is a big range and it can continue for as long as possible until we have a full breakout above the 200 EMA. We need to see clearly above 42k. Bitcoin needs to go above 45k. It needs to go above 50k for us to confirm the bullish bias once again. So guys, right here and right now, this is the current situation. If you go to the 4-hour candle, you could see that we had that quick bounce right here, and we are going back up to sit above this. If we can have that fast reaction, that will be very good for the bulls, guys. That will be very good for the bulls. I like to think that as time goes by, we'll phase up from this Elon Musk thing. I mean, people need to stop dumping on Elon Musk tweets. But for now, guys, this is what it is. This is what it is. And you trade, you have to learn to trade what you see on the chat and not just your expectation. So you have to be careful at this point. If you are not one to react to this kind of Elon Musk tweets, you don't want uncertainty, you don't like this kind of things. You just have to stay away from the market at this point. You just have to, if you have already bought the dip, you just have to wait. If you believe that the market is going to go back up, that's great. That's great, because we all believe this and we all want this to happen, guys. But right now, if you are not an experienced trader, you want to stay off longing or shorting. You want to stay off trading on the futures market, because things like Elon Musk tweet could just dump the market, and if you are longing in the wrong place, you could get caught, guys. So that is what we have right here. Do well to subscribe to this channel, follow us on our Twitter handle, join our Telegram community right here. You would always find the link on this video, guys. So thanks.